Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Oh, we're killing it again. We've got an incredible 1970 Nova SS. It's a real super sport. We have the original Protecto plate and the original invoice that proves it's a super sport. Very few Novas do I get. Are they real SS cars? They have the emblems on them, but they're not real. This one is. And this car just finished, just in the last few months, a 1,000-hour nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. This is about the cleanest, most immaculate car I've seen in a long time. You look anywhere, look in the door jambs, in the wheel wells, nooks and crannies. Everything is new. The whole underside of the car, upgraded with four-wheel disc brakes. It's got a hot little 350 motor, 355 posi, all sorts of good stuff. I'm going to tell you about this one. You can also go to volocars.com and look at the pictures and read the story, and you'll find the price tag along with a monthly finance option on every car that's for sale if you go to volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. That way you're notified when the next one's posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Underneath the car looks like this. It's that nice. He said it was completely rust-free floor pan. And again, it was all prepped and painted the body color. Every component, I mean every clip, clamp, you name it, it's new under that car. The whole front end, steering and suspension completely rebuilt, upgraded with Detroit Speed upper and lower tubular control arms. It has gas shocks. It has Detroit Speed frame connectors, ties the front to the back that helps prevent the body twist. All new rear suspension. It has 2-inch lowering leaf springs, new bushings, new hardware. Has a sway bar, also gas shocks. All new fuel system, the tank, the straps, the sending unit, the fuel lines. Upgraded brake systems, all new. It has Willwood disc brakes at all four wheels, drilled and slotted rotors. Nice black calipers, say Willwood right on them. Dual exhaust, really neatly installed, all welded. Stainless steel mufflers. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. It sounds great, looks great. You look up at the motor, it's not even dusty or oily. Transmission is the number match. It's the original Turbo 350 automatic that came with this car, completely rebuilt. New torque converter, there's a new flywheel, it's got a shift kit. Back to the motor, it does have a mini high torque starter, that's new. Drive shaft's rebuilt, all the U-joints and the ends are new. Has its original 12-bolt rear end. It was a 355 gear, all rebuilt. It has a new posi unit, Mosier axles, new bearings, new seals. So everything under the car, new and detailed. I mean, it's polished, it's shiny. Look at the pictures. This would cost every bit of $100,000 at a professional shop. There's 1,000 hours right there in labor. You're pushing $100,000 at a shop. Now the body, I'll be honest with you, he replaced most of it. The hood, the fenders, full quarter panels. He said the doors are original. There's no rust in this car at all. And it's straight. This guy's been restoring cars. He knows what he's doing. Everything lines up. There's not a bubble, there's not a bad body work or anything at all that I found. I already looked the car over and everything is spot on the money, just the way it should be. It all lines up beautifully. I mean, it shuts like a new car. So the body is absolutely mint, zero rust. Repainted its original color. I think it's called butternut yellow a couple years before. Now they call it Adobe Beige, but same color, whatever you want to call it. And it's polished smooth like glass. When I bought the car from him, he did say there's one scratch that he touched up. Honestly, I haven't found it. So there is one somewhere. If it wasn't for him telling me, I wouldn't even know about it. I don't see a flaw, I don't see a crack, I don't see a chip. And again, it's polished smooth and even everywhere. There's no funny spots. There's nothing negative to report about the paint. All of the trim is new. All of this, the bezels, the grille, the lenses, the bumper, the SS grills on the hood, the marker lights, emblems, even the wiper arms. The stainless trim is like chrome, new windshield, all the rubber seals, door handles, the locks are shiny. This anodized trim is new. The vinyl top is new. The marker lights, the bumper, the emblems. SS has this black panel. That's all new. The tail lights are new. The trim around the back windows new. The only thing not new is the back and the side glass. It's good original. You're going to have some light scratches and marks, but that's the only thing I found on the car that's not literally new. Tires and wheels are looking really good. They're staggered size. In back, they're 18s. They're a little bit wider. In front, they're 17s. All four are wrapped in Nitto Performance tires. I think that wraps up the outside. I got a lot to show you on the inside, and wait till you see this motor. All right, let's see what it looks like in the trunk. Of course, just as nice as the rest of the car. Look how slick it's painted, smooth and glossy. New sticker, the jam is painted slick, new weather strip, and then look at the trunk compartment itself. This is a one-piece trunk floor, all one piece. There's no cuts or splices, zero rust. New quarter panels, there's no rust, all clean metal. The wiring looks new, the housings for the marker lights, all that looks new. The door jambs are slick like the car, new sill plates, new weather strips, even up by the door hinges, it's pristine. The interior from carpet to headliners new. Look at the door panel, the wood grain, the armrests, the window cranks, the handles. The dash area is mint, all the bezels, the dash pad, the heater controls, it's all been replaced. It's a radio delete car, so it has the factory cover. This is all painted up real nice. Do have a matching lighter. Glove box liner's new. It has a custom set of auto gauges down below there. Even screws, the kick panels, the carpet. It has sound deadener under the carpet and above the headliner. The SS steering wheel's new. The seats seem to be re-sprung or cushioned. They're real nice. Got new seat belts. Reupholstered front and back. The headrest is reupholstered. Let's see if I can reach and get the seat. So everything back here, the upholstery, the side panels, the rear shelf, all the trim. Not only is it all new, but it all fits right. It all came together right. This guy knew what he was doing. Headliners, tight as a drum. The visors, the mirror are new. We do have the glove box pouch that's in the office. It has the owner's manual, some literature, the Protecto plate, and again, the original invoice says SS right on it. It's really the only way to verify an SS Nova in 1970. So it's a correct 350, not the number matching. It's bored out to a 358. Got a little hotter cam. It's got an aluminum intake with a 750 Holley carb, dual feed carb. HEI distributor in the back. Got some nice finned aluminum valve covers. Coated long tube headers. All the components are new. The fuel pump, the alternator, the power steering pump, all the brackets look new. And then look how nice everything's painted. All smooth gloss finishes everywhere. Got a chrome cover, new shroud, new clutch fan, all new hoses. This is that Detroit Speed suspension. Power steering, has a Willwood billet master cylinder, new wiper motor. All the squirters are all hooked up. The wiring all looks new. Battery is bolted down, has new cables, has a disconnect switch for when you park it. So this is show quality. This is ready to go to a show right now this minute. It is nice. Oh, is this car nice. It's like sitting in a brand new Nova. So I'm going to tell you again just how nice this car is when everyone says, oh, it's all new. I mean, this car is new, 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 and he knew what he was doing. It came together right. The wirings run neatly. He spent 1,000 hours building this car. Look at that. Shuts like a new car. Whoever buys this will absolutely be happy. They don't get any better. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman with your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your door. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you can be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.